If you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f8001 on your Windows system, then the solutions are as follows. The first solution is to reset Windows Update components. Search for FixWin in the Google search bar. This tool helps fix multiple Windows-related problems on computers. Open the Softonic link to download this tool for free. Install FixWin on your system and install it. Open FixWin. Now, go to the Additional Fixes tab in the left pane. In the right pane, go to the Quick Fixes tab. Click on Reset Windows Update History. The second solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab in the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to the Troubleshoot tab. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for a few seconds and the troubleshooter will fix the error. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel.